everybody, how are we all today? Who would like an air fryer recipe? That's what we're doing. Nice and simple. Who fancies a shawarma? Maggi's. I've never had a Maggi's before, never done it. I have got a few different Maggi's packets of different things, which I'm going to do over the weeks. But today, 69p from Aldi, we're going to be doing that. Nice and simple. All you need is peppers and chicken breast. Let's prepare. Okay then, there's my chicken breast. I've got, you can use thighs, can't you? Thighs are probably a lot cheaper. But I thought I'd use breasts, because why not? And peppers. They had no, because our Aldi is closing tomorrow for 2 weeks for refurb. So they had no like single peppers or anything in there. All the big bags, they only had sweet left. So I've just got some sweet peppers. Sweet peppers are nicer anyway. And I've got some of these flatbreads, Greek style flatbreads. They say they're new, I don't know. I haven't had these before. £1.29 for 4, I think it was. So we're going to have some of them. I've got 2 packs because there's going to be 4 of us having, probably a couple each, hopefully. And then we've got the Maggi's. The Maggi's air fryer. Shawarma. Let's have a, put my glasses on so we can see properly. Simply add peppers, chicken breasts. Nice and simple. 15 minutes. Obviously until your chicken's cooked, obviously. There's your any salts and your fats, and so it says it serves for Maggi believes in the power of cooking. That's good then, Maggi. Simply good. Prepping instructions. Heat the air fryer 190 degrees, coat to coat. Put the chicken and the pepper slices in a bowl. Add oil and mix. Add the seasoning and mix until coated. Cook in the air fryer to 15 to 18 minutes. Turning 2 or 3 times. Obviously until the chicken's cooked in it. There is your nutrition. And there is your ingredients. Now, I did have a comment actually a few weeks ago saying like they get all the ingredients if the stuff's nice and make their own. So which is a good idea, and if you have all the ingredients in and you can just make your own. So there's all the ingredients if you want to make your own. Anything else on there? No, that's it really. Yeah, that's it really. So first things first then, we will get the chicken prepared. Okay then, you could butterfly the chicken if you wanted to. I'm not going to today. I'm just going to slice them in little thin pieces like that. That's all. All the way across. Get them all the way cut. Nice and simple, eh? And then we'll get them in a bowl. And we'll do all of them. Last one. Don't forget the thinner, obviously the better, because it's cook a lot quicker, won't it? That's them done. Loads of chicken there, look now. Loads of chicken. Now on to the peppers. Right then, let's get these peppers open. We use both of these peppers, eh? We might as well. We might as well. Mind you, they're massive. They are big. We'll see how we get on. Chop the ends off. Cut it down the middle. We're going to cut them lengthwise and probably cut them in half anyway. And just strip them. That's what we'll do. Get your pips out. Seeds. Pips. Get your seeds out. There we go. Just show you the one. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them in half. Like so, and then we're just going to strip them. Just like that. Nice and easy. And just get them in there. Yeah, well, we'll do the both. We'll do the both, eh? Because there's a bit of chicken there, so we'll do the 2 of them. Just cut them in half. Doesn't matter about the sizes, does it? Too much on the peppers. Just chop them up however you want. It's all in the taste, guys, and it's all in the taste. Last bit, there we go. Nice and easy. Done. It's a bowl full there. Bit of oil. Give it all a mix. Lovely. Now where's my shawarma? Where is it? There it is. Let's get this open. There it is, guys. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it properly on the camera. Just get that in. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, it does smell nice. Give it all a coat to get it all coated. So, good thing about some... Oh, that smells really nice. Oh, it does, yeah. Good thing about some of these packets, isn't it? If you haven't got all the seasonings in, they're nice and convenient, ain't they? That looks absolutely lovely. I want to get it all coated though. Make sure I get it all. That's it. That is done. Right, we're going to clean up. We're going to leave that for 10 minutes. And then we'll get the air fryer warmed up. Okay. Get the air fryer warming up now. We're on 190 degrees. I'll leave it for 20 minutes. We just check it, won't we? It says, what, 15 to 18. So we'll leave it on 20. We'll get it warmed up. Okay, air fryer is warmed up. I'm going to get some oil in the bottom. And then we're going to get all this delicious stuff in here. Pour it all in. Spread it out. So I'm using my chef-free thing, because I do like it. But say you can use your basket ones, can't you, or your air fryer oven. And we'll turn like it says 2 or 3 times until everything is cooked, obviously. Right, while that's cooking away, we're just going to open the good old flatbreads. They're all the same in the flatbreads. Put them in the oven or do them in the microwave or whatever. I don't know if you want to have a look at these. I don't know if you can see any of that anyway. It's really small. If you say it's grilling here, what I'm going to do, just say sprinkle with water. There they are. I'm going to do mine in my air fryer, just to grill them in my air fryer oven. But say you can put them in the microwave to warm through if you want to, or do them on your hob or whatever. Just a sprinkle of water both sides. And it just says 2 minutes couple of minutes under the grill, that's all. Don't need a long time. It's basically just to soften them up, ain't it? Okay guys, we are done. And it smells delicious. What I'm going to do, I'm going to dish the lads up first. There you go, look if you can see it. Looks lovely, doesn't it? No, show you in there actually instead of doing that. There it is. I'm just going to dish the lads up, then we'll dish ours up. Okay guys, give the lads theirs. Just going to prepare ours now, just for some lettuce and that. That's all. I haven't chopped that one very good, to be honest with you. Look at that. I don't know, eh? Some lettuce on. We'll get some chicken on. There's loads of chicken here, a bit more. A few of these peppers on, eh? You having peppers on yours, Bab? No. No peppers on that? Peppers on mine and Blake's. Oh yeah. Like so. It's looking nice so far. Couple of tomatoes. Couple of tomatoes on there. Get them on. And a couple of cucumber. No cucumber for Natalie? You gone off cucumber, ain't you? You said that the other day, didn't you? You just gone off it. And there's mine, and I'm also going to have a mine. Some garlic mayo. Why not? I can't even see, can you? I'm not even in the camera, look at me. Oh, yeah. Right, let me do snatches up and then we will have a taste. So, what do you reckon? I reckon it don't look bad at all, do you? It smells really nice. It's Maggie's, Bab. Never had Maggie's, have we?
No.
I don't think I've ever had Maggie's anyway. Could have wrapped it in some foil, shouldn't I? So we're going to get it everywhere. Let's have a crack. You go first, Bab. Oh, that garlic mayo is strong. Roasted garlic mayo.
I had normal mayo. That's nice, that is.
Is that nice? There's wrap there, not wrap. Foil,
Tissue.
Tissue there, Bab.
Yeah, thank you. That's nice.
Is that nice?
I like that.
Nice.
I'll get you some off as well.
I'm going to need some.
Excuse me. Quite nice.
That's alright, isn't it, that?
That's nice. I like it. It's not too overpowering,
Yeah.
which I what I was worried about.
That's nice. I like that. Do you?
It's really nice.
Try some of the chicken.
That chicken would be nice on the barbecue.
What, that?
Maggie's chicken.
Maggie's chicken. That there.
Be nice on
a
a
barbecue.
barbecue.
There you go. We'll find out in the summer this year.
Leave it to marinate overnight. And barbecue it.
Leave it overnight.
Yeah. Barbecue it with
Yeah, it'd be
some
nice,
onions.
wouldn't it, that?
Yeah.
That's nice, that is.
It's really nice. I
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah. It's not, I don't know why I've never done Maggie's. I might have a long time ago, but I can't remember ever doing it. I've definitely never done an air fryer one. Yeah, I'm well happy. And we've all had 2 each. And me, so that's 2, 4, that's 8 I've done. Well done, Maggie's. 69p. From Aldi. They're probably doing B&M and all your supermarkets. I don't know how much they are there. But yeah, as I say, shawarma air fryer. Simple, easy. Bit of salad on top. Bit of whatever sauce you want, I suppose. Jobs are good, and it. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Till the next time, I'm going to get that. For convenience and taste, it's going to be a 9. 9 for me. What you have? That's got a face full.
I'm going to go 8.
I'm going to go 8. That's going 8 and I'm going 9. Because I'm going on the convenience and the easiness of it as well. Simple. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.